Hi everyone. We are doing a victory dance today. We are on the Something Blue Super Simple number 10. Woo! We finished. Here are the other ones we've been working through. Just lots of gorgeous, beautiful things. And today we're putting together the very last one. So I made this one pretty simple because if it's at the back and you wanted to create a back for your journal, you could just leave it blank. But if you don't mind having like a little pocket there, then you have that option as well. So I just kept it pretty simple in case you wanted to just use it as a back, a plain one. Either way, whatever you like. So I printed all of them on a lightweight cardstock, 110 pound. And then there are 3 pages, plus there's a neutral for a backing. And I printed that on all of the pages, except I didn't do it on this main page because it gets folded together anyway, and you're not going to see any of it. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the first page. Remember just to keep in mind that this is no-go zone. I'm trying to think of a better word. Don't put anything within this zone that you don't want to run the risk of it getting a hole punched through it, because that's where you're going to be connecting everything with your 3-ring binders. So we have a very simple, very elegant envelope. We're going to put that together. And it's just going to get glued directly onto that page. And we're keeping it face up so that we can access that part of it too. All right, now we're going to scooch it over a little bit in this way, just leaving room for our 3-hole punch. But we do have a card that's going to tuck back behind that, and we want to leave room for that tab. So we're going to glue it down, but we're only going to glue here and here to create kind of like a belly band effect. Good amount of glue. Wow, I don't think I've ever glued so straight in my life. Some days it just works, you know. All right. So I'm going to put that down. And we're going to let that dry while we make our cute tag. So we have this cute little tag here, and no fussy cutting. I just printed it on there for you. You're welcome. And this is going to be like a little pull at the top. But we just want to make sure that we don't put it up too high because we want to be able to close our envelope. So I'm just adding this for fun. You can kind of put it wherever, decide where you like it, and then just go for it. Kind of want to just cover that little one. I might. I think I will. Just fun. Whatever you like. And now I'm going to put some along the bottom of this and glue it as a tab. But I want to make sure that that's going to go clear down. So I'm just putting it up here to measure. This will make it easier to pull out of the envelope as well. So it's kind of a double bonus having that little tab up there. And of course you could staple or whatever, but we're keeping it pretty simple. So that can go in here now. And then that little tab is going to be just easy to grab and get that out, because these envelopes, I feel like they should be a little more slanted to give us some more grabbing room, but they work. All right, now we have our cute little, we've done one similar to this, you might remember, but this is going to come and hold that flap down, and you're just going to barely have that coming over. So it'll barely latch on and to the envelope flap and keep it down. So we're going to go ahead and put some glue here. And find our little spot here. And we seriously, it hardly needs to go under there at all. Okay, we've got that. Now we have our big journaling card that's going to be tucked back in here. And this is the tab that goes to it. So it works with the standard whale tail punch if you have that. If not, the lines are there, so you can go ahead and cut around the lines that are available to you. I'm just eyeballing the center of that one. You can put it on one of the sides if you want, it doesn't matter. And then I think we want something fun here. We've got lots of little bits in the kit, so you can kind of play around with what you like. There's a lot. Probably, I don't think I'll be able to use them all. This would be kind of fun. A little 25-cent tag on it. Or what else do I have? I don't really want to cover my cute butterfly. This could be fun to do like a collage. I like that. It covers a little bit of the butterfly, but not much, and I really like it, so I'm going to do it. And then I can use 2 bits instead of just 1. Hooray! Cute. Just simple and fun. You could do an Isla. I'm not going to. This is getting fat. My journal's getting fat, so I'm okay to not do it. Now keep in mind that this little tab can stick out past this a little bit because this will be your outside. That'll be where the page turns, so that's fine if it's sticking out. All right, super easy. If you want, you can add a few more. This is cute. Let's see if I can make that flow. I think I like it. I'm gonna put it down. And it's just fun because it's an envelope and this is airmail. I might try and, no, I'm not gonna be able to get it under my butterfly. It's too late. Too late. I glued my butterfly down very well. Awesome. All right, so there's that page, very easy. And here's the one that would be the back if you want, or you have the option of a simple pocket that hopefully will just kind of be very secure and things will lay very flat. So you do have that option. We have a nice tall pocket. Wow, I don't want to jinx it, but that's some of my better gluing right there. And keep in mind, this is the, what do they call it? The no man's zone? I don't know. Stay out of there. Bring it over here to the inside a little bit. The no fly zone? I don't know. Oh my heavens, I'm on one today. I'm sorry. Oh, yes. The neutral in this kit is really pretty. I really like it. It's this paper right here. I accidentally printed it in black and white, the main page. So on the back of this one, I just have a black and white of it, which is fine. All right, so just 2 super simple pockets. I have some cute little papers that can go in there, little bits of ephemera. If you want, you can add a cute little number, something really easy on there just to use up our little cute little bits. You could add them as tabs on the top. Either way, whatever you want. The choice is yours. I did make this just for fun if you wanted to do kind of a washi tape effect. Just a little extra, so why not? You can use that somewhere else too. It's kind of free game, whatever you like. And then maybe this one might get hole punched, so I should probably make sure it's glued down very well in case it does. I can scoot it in a little bit and hopefully avoid that, but if not, it's okay. It's just an extra fun little bit. Okay, the big tall tag on this, I printed double-sided just to have that so we could have a cute little dragonfly. So just keep that in mind, that this is a double-sided one. I'm gonna go around the edges really good. Normally I would do this with my glue stick, but here we are. Having such good luck with my art glitter glue today, I might as well keep it up. And then I'm really gonna squish that down. Hopefully a little glue is coming out the edges. That's what we want, because we want that to be really glued. Perfect. The reason I folded it in half for this one was because we have another one with a big tall pocket, and I just feel like it works better if it's double layered and super chunky. So that's why I went ahead and did that with this one. Let's see, we can add a fun little number up top just to be a little extra pull tab. That would be cute. Or you could fold it in half even. Oh, I have one that says airmail. That will be fun to kind of match the other one. We'll do that. And I'm just gonna let it poke up just a little teeny bit. Let's see. We could put a cute little number here. I still think I like it going that direction. Oh, and I have this cute one too. I really like these stamps, that they just turn out really cute when you print them. I like them a lot. And we have a back on this too, so if you want to add something here, you might as well. We've got enough little bits. I wonder if I did that upside down. The whole thing. No, I didn't. And that's a place you can journal right there. Super cute. See, with that 2 layers of cardstock, it's super thick and easy to pull in and out. So we have a few extra bits, but that's okay. I like where it's at. I don't have to use all of them, even though my little heart wants to. It's okay. Enough is enough. So here it is, page 10. And you have your cute little envelope. And this is kind of a trick for when you pull that out. Then you've got your little tag. And when you stick it back in, what you want to do is kind of bend it, and then it will just slide right under there. So that's how I do those. Here's the little card that comes out and in. And it's okay if it comes out over here, but make sure when you punch your holes that you don't accidentally punch through your card. So maybe pull it out for now and wait till you find out where your holes are. And that's our next video, is going to be putting it all together. I'm super excited. And then over here, that would be the very back page if you put it in that order, and you can leave it blank, like I said, whatever you want. But you have just two tiny little pockets, nice and secure, nice and simple. So if it's on the back, it's not going to get in the way. So there we have it, you guys, number 10. I am super excited to put this together. I hope my rings are big enough. Mine are let me grab them and show you in case you haven't bought any and you're wondering. I'll show you what size mine are. 1.5 inches across the center. So they're 1.5 inch rings. If you're looking at the inside radius. If you're looking at the outside radius, it's like 1 3/4. If you go to the very thickest spot. I think 1.5 is what probably they're labeled as. I don't know, because I got these actually from another thing. But anyway, they're going to be great. They are going to be big enough. I just know it. All right. Anyway, so stay tuned for the next video where we finally put our journal all together, and I just like to come and hold these pages. I love them so much. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the final reveal, and we will talk to you later. Oh yeah, everything's linked below if you're interested. Bye.